I called you several times, you never picked my calls. Your mommy gave you the money, but you refused to marry me.
I haven't gotten the money.
You haven't gotten
Give me
1 week,
just 1 week.
Which 1 week? When you bring the money, come for your phone.
Selena, why are you taking my phone?
You need your phone, I need my phone.
No.
Give the phone.
I told you I'll give you next week. Give me 1 week. I haven't gotten. No. Give me my phone.
I want to see my money now.
I'm talking to someone on the phone. Why are you taking it?
You need it.
David, give me my phone. No.
Oh, why you guys fighting? What is it? Why are you fighting? What's the problem? What's the problem?
She came for my money and she refused to pay me. She told me 1 week ago. Now in 3 months, she refused to pay me. She used the mother as an excuse. Up to now, if I call her, she's not picking my calls. And then she gave me my money. Said no, you have taken my phone. She take my money.
Did you what?
I said she take my money.
She took your money. She can't take your money. Take nothing. She took your money. You're making the wrong statement. She took.
What
not
is
take.
she also saying?
It is took. It is not take, madam.
I said she take the money.
It is not take. It is took.
Go and read your book.
It is took. It's not take.
I said go and read your book.
She took your money. She did not take your money. You can say it's not take. It's gonna be take. It's gonna be take.
Baron, why?
Why? What
Are we here to correct English or we are here to separate the fight?
But the English is wrong.
Oh, you like this thing too much. Every day English is why?
English is wrong.
And so what? We are here to separate them.
Without correct English, I can't separate it.
What?
Yes, I heard me clear.
Go leave them. Why? You like that?
I like what? Her English is wrong.
Me the made me phone.
Oh.
And so what brand or be boy my your phone and I said
Madam, take her. That's how he is.
So
no, that's how he is.
It is not take.
That's how he
is.
is.
It's supposed to be took. It's not take.
I know you guys will. Wait. He's my friend. Baron, I always talk to you about your English. Why?
Every day speaking is wrong.
Since you are coming, Kenaka, right now people are fighting. It's in that case, and you are saying you are here to fight with them.
I'm not fighting.
Master, English is by force.
It's compulsory. It's another time.
For what another time? You it's like you were born and bred with. Oh, madam.
See, the English is speaking. It is wrong. You can't ask you use taking in the center. She can't take a money. It is wrong.
It's not wrong.
It is wrong.
What is wrong?
It's a wrong. You see, the English
I don't know why it's happening.
What is wrong about it? It is correct.
Why? Instead of you to separate the fight, you are rather increasing the fight. Why? What's that?
How can I separate? She's making a wrong statement.
And so what?
How can I separate?
And so what?
Tell me, how can I separate it?
She's
speaking wrong English. How can I separate the fight?
Every day English, every day
Yes.
Why? Why? Every day. Correcting English. Oh, you see your life.
My sister, if you don't solve our problem, we will be here fight till we die. See them. Instead of them to come and solve our problem.
What you are doing is not good at all.
What have I done? What have I done?
Every day correction of English.
What English am I correcting?
Oh.
I need to correct it because we want
So
to
what? Whether pass or see or then it's what?
It's a past tense.
Every day English.
And cannot fit. Oh,
Every day
Charlie.
English. Why?
You
like that too much. Oh, Jai. Opesa crowd they be abofo. Subafo